Hey there. Well, I'm going to explain you how to fix the speed of the ITT model of 500 phones. Well, the problem of these ones is that the governor that it has inside of the rotary dial doesn't. It has a cover with 3 holes. You will see it in a minute, and you cannot, and you are supposed not to be able to fix it, but you can. So the first part, the tools that you need is one of these and a screwdriver and this two little things that are for the face, well, for the hair of the face. So first of all, you take the case out of the phone with the 2 screws that it has, and then you take the dial out with this screw and the other one. Then you take the case out, and you have the governor. As you can see, here's the spring that it doesn't work properly, so we're going to take it out to make the speed, or to make the dial turn faster. So the only thing that you need is first of all, take the spring, take this spring out of his place, and then take one end of the string and pass it through the hole. Then you continue turning it. You have to be very careful. You have to take also the end of the, sorry for light. You have to sorry, take the end out of the case. And if you continue doing this, oh, yeah, right there. Then you continue turning it, and I think we are ready. Only a few. Yeah, there you are. Here's the spring. Let me show you how it looks like right here. So this spring, as you can see, has 2 ends. Focus, please. Right here. Well, so these ends, you have to bend the ends further to the center of the spring, so the spring will, the rotary dial will turn faster. And well, for putting inside, it's just exactly the same thing, but backwards. You have to do the same thing, but the other way. So I hope you like it. Well, let me show you how to bend the spring. Right here. Just a little bit, and you have to be careful, because if you do it too much, you can make the dial turn faster than you want, and also you can break it. So this is the bend that I have done, this side, and the other one isn't. As you can see, it's a little bit at the end of the circle instead of the center. So if you do the same on the other side, just a little bit. So here you have both ends bended, and you have to put it back in the governor, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.